What's going on, guys? So today we have some plans. We are in the Honda Civic Type R and we are starting the vlog off on the iPhone. I like this wide angle lens, so we'll give it a shot for today's video. But we're gonna be headed there. We're going to be actually getting some stuff for the SVT Cobra. Adrian happens to work at a place where he's able to get parts for AutoZone at a discounted price. So we're gonna be picking up a part at Adrian's house, who has the 10th anniversary SVT Cobra, and showing you guys a little bit of an update on Project Terminator. And we'll catch you guys when we get there. We got the power steering pump from the boy Adrian. Got the Terminator right here, looking super clean. God damn, I can't get over how clean this Terminator is, guys. Well, we'll catch you guys at home now. All right, so now that we have acquired the power steering pump, we are at Costco, and let me tell you guys, it gets super packed here because, well, the gas is so cheap, and the daily gets pretty good gas mileage, but we definitely got to fill it up. So let's fill this thing up. All right, guys, so we are currently installing the Cook's long tube headers, and then we're going to be installing the UPR tubular K-member. But right now we are tightening the 13mm bolts, which are up here. The upper bolts are a little bit difficult. As you can see, the motor is on the jack. That's the only way to install long tubes, is by dropping the K-member and getting it out. I highly recommend getting a tubular K-member such as the UPR one when you guys are installing headers, because if you ever need to drop them again, you don't really need to drop the K-member because it's tubular. We're gonna continue finishing up, tightening all these, and we'll let you guys know, and we'll keep you guys updated. All right, guys, so we finished up tightening the headers, but as you can see, we are installing the UPR tubular K-member now. There is lobs and lobs of room. The tubular K-member is so much better compared to the stock one. There's a lot of flat edges, which makes it very difficult to work around, and of course, it's heavy. I can't even lift this with one hand, but on this setup, you can. Super light, looks really good. Shout out to UPR products, guys. I'll have the link in the description so you guys can go check them out. But I'm telling you, get a K-member and it's gonna make your life so much easier. The car saves probably, what, 70 pounds? You save about 70 pounds, which is a lot of weight, so weight reduction. And you get all this extra room to mess around with, and you don't have to drop the K-member ever again to install long tube headers. So big shout out to that. Let's continue with the rest of the video. We also tested the Gen 5 Whipple with the 3.75 pulley, which is actually a really big pulley for the setup. And the hood does clear. We have it on the K-member. It's fully dropped, so this is the height that it's gonna be essentially. We don't have any K-member spacers, and we had about, I'm gonna say, like, from the edge of my finger, like, that's how much extra room we had. So the hood does clear. The stock hood does clear the Gen 5 Whipple, so that's really good news. And we're wrapping up the Cobra build, so hopefully we can get the car all dyno tuned, and with that we should be good. So I'm very excited. The K-member looks super good, and we're just gonna put on the arms, which you can see right here. Header's about to leave, but I'm gonna finish up those, and I think we should be good. A lot of people talk about the oil relocation thing. You might need to get a smaller one, because I don't know if we're gonna be able to take that one out. We won't know. We'll find out soon enough. But we have the Cooks installed, which is very sick, and she's coming together. Guys, so a little status update. I know I haven't really been filming too much of the process, but to give you guys a little bit of a recap, we installed UPR's coilovers that we use the existing strut, and essentially we're combining this to make a coilover, which is really cool. So they supply you with this right here, which controls, you know, this controls how high or low we want it, but we won't be able to determine like the ride height and until we get that all situated. But for the time being, this is what we're doing. And then we also have their caster camera plates that are right there with the Gen 5 Whipple, and UPR's tubular K-member is looking very good, and we have the Cook's headers chilling behind it. And right now we are doing the brakes, finishing that up. So we did a lot of stuff. We put the steering rack back up, we did the UPR K-member, and you can see the old one that's right there. But we're going to continue the rest of the video, so hopefully you guys enjoy this little update, and let's get it going. We're racing today, boy. SV right there, guys. Holy shit. It is a vent. Oh shit. We're in Mexico, guys. That shit's fucking. So we got Yogi doing a little bit of a shoot today, guys, with the boy Oscar 2-valve. So we just finished up washing the Yodi. I know the garage is a complete mess, but we have a very special package. So I want to give a big shout out to Deechworks, guys, because they actually sent these over. So big shout out to them. These are the Deechworks injectors. So I'm very excited. Oh, hell yeah, bro. Sheesh. Hey, they even gave me an air freshener. That's what's up. And then they gave us a little catalog. Cool. These are the injectors that we need, so we'll open those up. Do I have any keys? Let's see if we can open these up real quick. Check out the Deechworks 1000cc injectors, or 95 pound. These are 95 pound, but essentially 1000 pound injectors. So open these up. Yes, sir. So full match data. This is a bunch of stuff that we don't know right now, but we got 95 pound injectors, very nice branding, great packaging, and this is gonna be the injector that we need. It's gonna limit it at about 800, but that's honestly the most I'm gonna push this motor. So shout out to Deechworks, guys, really big shout out to them. We'll install these because we are finishing up the SVT, and let's get it going. For the vlog. All right, guys, so we just dropped by at Costco because we just got a heater because it's stupid cold right now. So we got the boy Eder behind us. We're gonna stop by AutoZone, get some stuff. All right, guys, so we have the injectors, the DWs right here. They supply you guys with some lube so that you can put the injectors in a lot better, because it's gonna be kind of hard to put in all dry. Just lube, make sure you guys lube up the top one and the bottom one and slide it. We're gonna be putting them into the Division X rails right here. And like I said, a lot of times some people do struggle with putting the rail in with the crusher inlet. We're gonna see if the boy Eder can squeeze them in.
I should be able to.
We'll let you guys know.
Oh, this one's ready.
Alright, guys, so we're going to wrap up the video right there. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this content. If you guys are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Here we just do a lot of content regarding my 03 Cobra and also the 2015 Mustang GT 5.0. But the spotlight has been the Cobra because I put that to the side, and we encountered a lot of issues. We got through it, but long story short, we are making progress on the Cobra. I want to say we'll be done within the next few days, fingers crossed, and then we'll go to get it dyno tuned at Speedline Motorsports. So we'll see what happens. I'm really excited that everything's coming together. It's been such a big process, by far one of the biggest projects I've ever worked on. So hopefully you guys enjoy this content, and if you do, please consider like and subscribing. But with that being said, guys, we will catch you guys in the next video, and have a great day.
Ride with me in my S550. Slide with me, it's alright with me. Time flies when we ride through the city. Watch me drop a gear and disappear. Gotta thank the Lord that I made it here. See the opposition when he's in.